Welcome back to YouTube channel of Kanak Infosystems. Today we are going to learn about email constraint in Odoo. Let's start with the code. Here I have created an email constraint function. In this function, defines the standard format for the email. It is not accepts the at the rates at many of the multiple places and also not after a dot. The format is stored in the particular variable and then match with the particular email record. If it is not does not matches, then showing a validation error, the email address is not valid. So here we have an email field. Now let's check this. If I entered only name, then it shows an error. If I entered the com, then also showing an error. It doesn't support like this. It only supports when it matches the standard format of the email. So we can put the email constraint like this. So this is all about email constraint in Odoo. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe to Kanak Infosystems.